Hi, this is Sandhikshandas and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show that how to install and uninstall any app from your FireTV stick. It is very easy. So if you don't know, please stay tuned and keep watching this video till end. I will show you the easiest way. So let's begin the tutorial. But before beginning, I have a request. If you are new, then please subscribe my channel, tap the bell icon, select all. You will receive all notifications from my side. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button below. Share with your friends and family. If you have any query regarding this tutorial or regarding FireTV stick, you can ask below at the comment section. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Links in the description below. So without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. So here you can see these are the interface, the home, live, movie, TV shows, apps and settings. Go to the settings and from settings go to the network connection and make sure it is already connected to a Wi-Fi. You have to come the App Store. You can see there's a written app, so it means it is App Store. So you have to come at the App Store by clicking the right side arrow, and there we can see there are lots of app below. Suppose it may be games or app, so maybe anything, just like I am installing this Geo Cinema. Okay, so to install, just click on in the middle button, means okay, you are entering, and you can see it is written download. You owe it, means, and it stay already on that option. So just click the middle button and it will start to download. Just wait for a few seconds, it will download and install automatically, and it will be ready to launch. Okay, so download is already done and it is being installed at your FireTV stick internal memory. So it is already installed, and you can now directly open from here. Just click the middle button to open, or you can open from your home screen. Okay, so it is now already showing at the home screen. Just click on that and it will be open and your app is now installed. So this is the same process for any app, any game. So this way you can install your any app. Okay, now I will show how to uninstall app. So you can see there are lots of app installed at this FireTV stick, and just like this way you can see also few games are also there, just like this. So to uninstall, there is a two-step, means you can manage in two way. First, you can go, you have to go at the settings, then you can go at the applications, means the fourth option. Okay, just click on that, just click the middle button to enter, and you can see Silk Browser, Game Circle, App Store, and manage installed application. Means you can manage your installed application as per your choice. So just middle click the button. Okay, just wait for a few seconds and you can see there are lots of apps are showing. Suppose I will uninstall this Geo Cinema app. I don't like it, maybe any app or any game. Okay, another way you can come at this option, that is staying at your home screen. Just long press the this home button. You can see this is the home button. It's focusing issue. So just keep and hold the home button. You can see this is the shortcut screen. There you can see it is written apps, sleep, mirroring and settings. So you have to click on apps. So same option, this is a shortcut. So right now it is showing more better. So here you can see any app. So suppose I will uninstall the Geo Cinema app. So after selecting the app, right now it is Geo Cinema app, and click on the three dot line buttons or three line buttons key at your remote. That is the option switch. So click on that and you can see there is a lots of option like move to front and more info and uninstall, and you have to click on uninstall. So just select the app and click this option button and select uninstall, and in few seconds it will be uninstalled. It now you can see it is already uninstalled and it is showing the cloud option, means it is not taking any portion of your internal memory and it is already at the cloud. So app is already uninstalled and you don't have to do anything. If you till wanna uninstall or remove from cloud, you can also click on remove from cloud if you don't want to keep this app on your cloud. So you can remove from cloud also, but main thing is that to remove from your internal memory. So same way you can also uninstall any apps. Just select that and then click on the option button, and the option will be appear here, and select the uninstall. Okay, and it will be uninstalled and it is now on cloud. So if you still want to remove from cloud, again press the option button and select remove from cloud, and also click on the confirmation remove from cloud. Okay, so this is the easiest way to remove any app or any games from your internal memory, or and this way you can manage your apps, and this is very easy. If you have found this video helpful, then please hit the like button below and just go do uninstall, and please let me know after at the comment section. Also don't forget to like the video, share with your friends and family, and must subscribe my channel, tap the bell icon. Also you can watch my FireTV stick other tutorial and FireTV stick full review. I will put the links here, I button or video links in the description below. So however, I have to catch you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. I was Sandhikshandas signing out. Have a great day. Bye.